Hey, good morning, Trekheads. Welcome to another outdoor hiking adventure with me, Tim. Jen can't be here today, and I'm sure her feelings are hurt. Probably not. Anyway, hey, today we're going to be looking for trails using the Komoot app here in Germany. This video is not sponsored by Komoot. I was just looking for some hiking apps to find some trails in my local area. I came across Komoot and I liked what it had to offer. It had a few more trails than some of the other, probably more well-known hiking apps. So I decided we'd do a little review of it. It's set up like a hiking social media app. So when you first open it up, it's got a whole feed of different trails in your local area or recommended options or trails that other people in your area have hiked. So if you can't find anything under the Discover tab, which I don't know how, there's a bunch in there, and you want to find something a little more local to you, then you can click on Plan. Plan is going to bring up a GPS map with your location on it and give you all the trails that are close to you. Then you can click on each one of the pin drops and it'll bring up a short description down on the bottom. And if you click on those, it'll give you a breakdown of the trail itself, its difficulty level, its elevation profile, different pictures and waypoints along the route. From here you can also bookmark it, read reviews from other hikers, and even plan a route based around it. I think there's a deer up there. Another neat feature is, since it is like a social media profile thing for hikers, is that you can actually go to your profile. And this is where all your bookmarked hikes are going to be stored, all your planned hikes, all of your completed hikes. You can follow other hikers, you can upload pictures. It's neat. It's neat. It's pretty cool, guys. It's pretty cool. So when you go to click Start Navigation, it's going to pop up a couple different options. You can download the free offline map for your area, but that's the only one that you can download for free. And that's what I did for this video right here, just the one map. And then there's two other options, which is like a region and then the world. And both of those cost a fee. But anyway, once you download that or click that, then it'll allow you to actually start your navigation. And then navigation, once you click the start button or start navigation, it's going to give you directions directly to the trailhead anywhere you are. From there, the cool features that I like, it gives you how far you've gone and the distance left to travel for the route that you've planned. It also gives you like elevation and distance to different waypoints. Oh no, I'm lost. Now what do I do?
On hiking path, head southeast to follow the tour.
Oh. Whew. So that's another cool feature, is that Komoot has built-in voice navigation. So if you download the maps for offline use, you can still use the voice navigation in case you can't find the trail. Lucky for me, this trail right in here is fairly well marked. All in all, I like the Komoot app. I think it's a really nice app. I like the variety on it. I like the features on it. I give it a big thumbs up. And while we're on the topic of thumbs up, you know what you should do. Hit that like button down below. Leave a comment. Let us know what hiking app you use. Do you use Komoot? Do you use a different app? Let me know. I want to know. Also, hit that subscribe button. Wherever it is. Somewhere over there. Now let's go finish this trail. I think we got about 3.5 kilometers left. Alright, so we made it back to the trailhead. All in all, we did about 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles. It was nice. A nice little loop, I enjoyed it. But now I am starving to death, so I'm gonna go get some food, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Take care.